Hey guys, welcome back again to another new video. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the most incredible way to learn German language. You know, many people are complaining about how German is hard, about how they're failing the exam. But right now, I'm going to show you the most easiest way. And I hope my sister is here to learn this. Guys, this one is the best one. You have to visit grocery stores. You have to go there, look at the onion and then read what is written there. Maybe it will be written Zwiebel. Go to the tomatoes and read what is written there. It will be written tomato. You go to ginger, it will be written ingwer. You go to garlic, it's written Knoblauch. You learn also when you go to grocery stores. That's where you also learn some few Lebensmittel, few things that you can use in the house. You learn a lot also there. So when someone asks you if you have seen any Knoblauch or you need Knoblauch somewhere, you know, you'll understand. I read somewhere in the supermarket Knoblauch was garlic. So you understand. At the grocery stores, you can learn a lot. You need to take an intensive German course. It doesn't matter where you are. If you're in Kenya, for example, you can go to Goethe Institute and take your intensive German course. With this intensive German course, they focus on everything. I was in one. It was hard at the beginning, but as you finish your 2 months or 3 months, you realize, oh, German is something that I can learn. Number 2, download a German language app and use it every day. You download the one which has pronunciation so that you know how to pronounce the words. So download the German app, yeah? Number 3 and 4, you need to listen to German music, especially those Schlager. Like if you come from Stuttgart, Baden-Württemberg, you understand what I'm talking about. You have to listen to more Schlager music. And also number 4, like I said, you also have to watch TV. You have to watch TV in German and put the subtitles also in German. So whatever they're saying, if you don't understand, you can read. And then you can write the words down. And then you can go later and listen to those words or watch or go to the dictionary or Google Translate, and then you go and look for those words that you're watching, and that's how you're gonna understand. And the best thing to watch, go and search for friendship. You're gonna learn it every day. Guys, this one is the best one. You have to visit grocery stores. You have to go there, look at the onion and then read what is written there. Maybe it will be written Zwiebel. Go to the tomatoes and read what is written there. It will be written tomato. You go to ginger, it will be written ingwer. You go to garlic, it's written Knoblauch. You learn also when you go to grocery stores. That's where you also learn some few Lebensmittel, few things that you can use in the house. You learn a lot also there. So when someone asks you if you have seen any Knoblauch or you need Knoblauch somewhere, you know, you'll understand. I read somewhere in the supermarket Knoblauch was garlic. So you understand. At the grocery stores, you can learn a lot. And you can also visit the bars where they sell beers. You can have some friends who are drunk. They can be teaching you also how to speak. You talk and he talks and you talk, and that's how you're gonna understand. But if you sit at home somewhere just waiting to read, it's gonna be hard for you. You also have to learn how to speak it. So if you wanna practice a lot, go also to the bars and speak with those people who are there. It doesn't matter what you say, but just learn to listen to them, whatever they're telling you, and then also listen to them and speak. And at this point, you also have to find friends. And with friends, I mean friends who don't speak your language, friends who don't speak English, the one that you speak maybe. If you are from a French part, you have to look for someone who speaks English. If you look for a person who speaks French, you're not going to understand anything. Or if you look for someone who speaks English and you also speak English, or you look for someone who speaks Swahili, you can never be friends with someone. Okay, you can be friends, but if you want to learn the language, it's better you befriend someone who speaks a different language, and then it will be a must for you two people to speak German. And that is the easiest way also to learn German. You have to communicate with that person also in German. You understand? you can also look for German friends. You can learn from them also very much. Also, my last point, you also need to use Google Translate. It's very, very helpful. You have to you download on your phone and use it. If you somewhere you just understand something that was said, like fotografieren or telefonieren, or maybe let's say they saw a word that came, a verb, and you did not understand, just use your Google Translate, and you have an idea what the person is saying. That means you must also use your dictionary, or there's a pocket dictionary, or you download an app. It's called Leo, Leo. Is also a very good dictionary on your phone. Any word, any English word or Spanish or any language that you speak, you can translate into German or any language that you want. And guys, don't ever give up. German language is not easy, but don't give up. If you had given up, you'll not be there. You'll not be here where we are right now. So, thank you so much for watching this video. This is my last day of my night shift. As you can see, very, very tired. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and to share. Danke. Ciao.